Alright, hello everyone, how are you? It's Kei. So this is the 1st of February 2023 and this is on Wednesday. So we had big news and there will be some big news after today's live stream, but yeah, let's review some market with the news and see what's happening together with Ichimoku and also and also the price actions. So yeah, good to see you. Thanks for joining. Okay, so let me switch screen and start the live analysis right now. Okay, so let me say hi to everyone quickly. Alright, Mario, thanks for joining. And Basam, Carbon, Augustine, and James. Solnam, good to see you. Solnam, good to see you. And Blackwater. Alright, Homan and Rain, Master of TikTok, and Win, and everyone. Good to see you. Thank you so much for joining today. Okay, so yeah, today Dubai has been very hot actually. It was raining for the last week, and today I went to the beach in the afternoon just to relax and enjoy. But the weather was perfect today, no cloud, and the temperature was I think 24, 23 degrees. So not too hot, not too cold, and it was really nice weather. So enjoy the beach. I brought the sandal and yeah, just enjoy the water and the air and the sunshine. So that was really good. But yeah, I hope you have also a good day today. So sorry, hold on, I'm still getting ready on this trading view and everything, so just a moment. Okay, alright, I see many more comments now. Alright, Tan and BP, good to see you. Oh, I'm in Dubai now. I am in Dubai. I have been in Dubai since last July. So it's been almost like 1.5 years or a bit more. Okay, Afsal, good to see you. Philip and Retana, good to see you. Roger and Kush, Muhammad, good to see you too. Alright, so I think I'm ready, so let me switch to trading view. Okay, so and let me fit this into the page. Okay, like this, so you can see the whole thing on the screen. So okay, so let's see. Oh, Euro USD, I'm waiting for the breakout of the resistance. And today there was a ADP employment change in the US and USD got sold, if you see that news. So I'm talking about this news, ADP employment change. This is one of the biggest news in the US. And this happened about 45 or 50 minutes ago. And the previous was 25.3K and consensus was 86K and the result was 106K. So this was worse than the previous but better than consensus. And after this news, the USD got sold. This is the strength chart, the currency strength chart. It actually shows each currency strength. When it's going up, this means this currency is bullish. When it's going down, this currency is bearish. So right now I can see that JPY is up and Euro and AUD are sideways, and then CAD is down and the USD is also down. This happened due to news. Usually USD and JPY are negative correlation, so when USD got sold, JPY tends to be bought and vice versa. So that's what's happening right now. So since USD is down, Euro USD is going up. And I'm actually watching this one closely and waiting for that breakout, because yesterday there was a pin bar. Pin bar means the very tiny body on the candlestick and a long wick down. So this is called the pin bar. And yesterday was a pin bar, and today most likely it closes above the pin bar. So that means buyers start to win the trade after this candlestick from yesterday. So I can see that the buyers are dominant, and it has enough momentum for this market to break the resistance. So I'm actually waiting for the break. It may not happen today, but it may happen sometime this week, either tomorrow or the day after. So even before the breakout happens, if I see a nice setup, I will be in the trade, or simply enter after the trade, after the breakout. So that's the Euro USD expectation of mine. And since USD is down, JPY is up. USD JPY is bearish, which is, I think, the next talk I want to talk about. So here is the USD JPY. And today the market happened to be on the descending trend line. As I have been mentioning this one many times before, the market has been resisted by the descending trend line many times. So yesterday and today there was a resistance here, and today's news is actually making this market go down. So that means the market is going down due to the technical confirmation, and also it's been resisted by the Kijun Sen also. The green one is called Kijun Sen in Ichimoku. It's one of the 5 lines of Ichimoku, and the market has been resisted by the Kijun Sen here and here also. So I thought the market may break that resistance. The market may break that trend line, and also it may retrace back to Kijun Sen sometime this week. But looks like it didn't happen, and today is bearish. So I think the market goes down also still. This is, for me, bearish continuously. So I'm looking for a selling edge on the USD JPY also. So today I have no trades. I'm just watching the chart because there are big news. But with this kind of thing in mind, I monitor chart every day like this and look for the best timing to take trade based on the lower time frames. So that is the USD JPY. So let me mark the ones I already spoke so that I remember which one I speak. Sometimes I forget which one I covered, and I have to recall. So yeah, let's see. Alright, thanks for joining, Starry, and BP, also good to see you. Oh, you're from Kyoto. Very nice. I love Kyoto. I used to visit Kyoto many times to temples, meditate, but so I miss Kyoto a lot. Yeah, next time when I come back to Japan to visit, I'm thinking to visit Kyoto too. But yeah, thanks for joining. Great to see you. Alright. Blackwater, what about Nikkei 225? Yeah, that will be covered after I cover the Forex pairs. Let me focus on the Forex pairs first before I move on to some other topics, so that those who watch archive can focus on one topic at a time. Alright, Pierre, thanks for joining. Sofiane, John, good to see you. Ashley, good to see you too. Oh, you just bought Euro USD. Okay, buying the Euro USD may be a bit risk because this is near the resistance, but there is a nice pin bar, so I would prefer to wait for today's candlestick close. If it closes above the pin bar, then it's likely to break that resistance. But it depends on the trading style. I'm a trend follower and more towards the day to swing style. So I'm waiting for the chance to come. But if you are more of an intraday to scalping, then today might be a good opportunity to buy Euro USD or sell USD-JPY. Okay, let me see. I see some other comments. So let's see. Marios, good to see you. He says, would you take USD pair before the Fed interest rate decision later today? I don't think so. I don't think so. A rate decision is going to happen in about 50 minutes. 50 minutes, right? Oh, sorry, that's the 50 minutes after is ISM, manufacturing PMI. So Fed's rate decision happens a bit later, so I would first monitor, I would first wait for this ISM news to happen. And after this, if I have some opportunities, I will take it before the rate decision. Yes, I do that. I do that. Yeah, the USD might be sold at the news is my pure guess. I never predict how the market's gonna move by the news, but my guess is I think the USD will be sold at this news. But we will see. I don't trade by the fundamentals, so I always check the charts and decide what to do. Okay, Reese James and Turun, good to see you. Homan says, do you trade WTI? I don't trade. Or I do. I used to do, but I don't trade these days. WTI. I do check WTI because it affects the CAD and other pairs, but I don't technically take trades. But I do take trades on gold. Oh, so gold might be bullish now. Let me check. Speaking of that, since USD is down, gold should be bullish now. XAU USD. Okay, so gold, here is gold, and okay, it's not really up so much. Okay, but yesterday was a pin bar. So if today's close becomes above the pin bar, then the market will get ready to break that resistance. I'm still waiting for the chance to buy on this one too, but I haven't traded yet. Okay, so yeah, let me check some other pairs. So yeah, Euro USD again, it's about to break that resistance now, 1.0933, and USD-JPY is going down today. It's been resisted by the trend line and the daily Kijun Sen, and it has been bearish. So I'm looking for the selling edge on this one still. And let's see what else. Pound JPY. Let's see, Pound JPY has been ranging now. And I was thinking that the market goes up and buy, but looks like it doesn't happen. Today is retracing because of the strong JPY. Looks like the market going down to the daily Kijun Sen. 155.80 will be the target if you scalp today. But overall is range. I can see that the Kumo flat, Kumo Senko Span B has been flat, and Senko Span A is retracing. So that means this is in the middle of the retracement. Today and yesterday were bearish, but since Senko Span A is bullish, so lower part is Senko Span A, upper part is Senko Span B when it's bearish Kumo. So since Senko Span A is up, this means that the market is retracing. So at some point the market may be supported somewhere, maybe on the support on the wick here on 159.54 area, or the daily Kijun Sen 155.82, and then may go up still. Yeah, but then if the market goes up, then that will be into Kumo, and usually it becomes very spiky and tricky. So I think I will stay away from now. Yeah, let's see. 4 hour is also within the Kumo. Oh, but 4 hour shows double top and the neckline is about to be broken. So yeah, we can clearly see that the 4 hour shows double top and the neckline on 159.48. And this neckline is actually the daily pin bar support on the 25th. So that means if it breaks it today, then I think it goes down to the daily Kijun Sen. Again, 158.83 area. So the scenario in the 4 hour is like this. So yeah, if it breaks there, then I think it goes down to the daily Kijun Sen is scalping or the intraday strategy for today or tomorrow. Okay, and let me see. Okay, what do you think about pound AUD? Okay, pound AUD, let me see. Okay, pound AUD on a daily is still bearish because the Kumo is still bearish. Senko span A is going down. And Chikou span below the candles. And yeah, there is dead cross of Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen below the Kumo, so this is bearish. Yeah, and yesterday was a long wick up, and it almost touched the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, and then eventually the candlestick became bearish. So I can see that yesterday on the 31st of January, there was a strong sellers yesterday itself, and then it's going down now, so this is bearish. And with that in mind, if I check the 4 hour time frame, the price is below Kumo, but Chikou span is touching. So I would wait for the Chikou span breakout as market goes out. I mean, the market breaks the supports and look for the selling opportunity. That will be one of the scenarios. Yeah, that's one of the scenarios. Okay, so that's pound AUD bearish. Okay. Let's see. So euro pound, I long at 0.8839. Okay, euro pound. Let me see. Let me cover this one next. Okay, euro pound is for me range on the daily, but for the last 3 days it's been bullish, and it may break that resistance level of 0.8851. And I also checked the 4 hour, and the 4 hour is still range because Kumo is bullish, but the whole Kumo has been flat. And Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen flat. So for me, this is still range in the 4 hour. In the bigger picture, of course, like this, it has been just ranging up and down. So if you are buying this one, that means you are a scalper or the intraday trader. And because there was beautiful inverse head and shoulders in the neckline breakout, so if you buy now, the target is again 0.8851, the previous resistance. And then it may retrace. So yeah, that will be for the short term. And as it retraces, what may happen is it may retrace back to the neckline and goes up. Or it will be supported by the Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen as they move up from here, and then goes up also. But there has to be a retracement for this market to break the previous resistance. So yeah, that's my idea. Yeah, when the market's like this, I simply stay away. Okay, thank you for joining everyone. Good to see you. Obina, Mark, good to see you. Okay, and Hack says, can you give me an example when you enter an order with M30 1 hour and are losing money and there is a big news coming soon? When there's a big news coming soon, then I don't take trades. I don't take trades. Yeah. So again, there will be a big news in about 40 minutes in the US. So when it's coming up soon, I don't take trades. Most likely I come back after the news and look for the confirmations to enter trade by Ichimoku and the lower time frames. Okay, so let me check some other charts now. Let's see, coming back to the strength chart. Let's see, so JPY is bullish. Okay, let's check the CAD JPY. It should be bearish also. Right now, CAD JPY. Okay, this is the 4 hour. Okay, today's bearish, but this is range overall. This is just going up and down. It's range. And Kumo is up, but the price is below Kijun Sen and Chikou span touching. So this is for me range. In this case, these Kijun Sen angle up and Kumo angle up become fake. So we can't follow these up angles in a 4 hour. And the daily shows this is also range. Yeah. So yeah, CAD/JPY has been range for the last since the last December. This has been very choppy if you simply look at the market. So we have to stay away. Yeah, at least on a daily time frame, we can't follow this one. Okay, Pound CAD, let's see. Pound CAD, this is flat on the daily, and 4 hour is retracing now. Okay, so I was thinking that the market goes up from here, from this candlestick, and if it goes up, I was planning to buy, but since this is now retracing back, I delete upper row and I monitor chart closely. It may be down in the 4 hour or the lower time frame. Because in the lower time frame like this, the market broke the support here. So this support was also the previous resistance. So this is 1.6410. And this level becomes really the key in this market. Today, it's retracing back, but since this is bearish, my view is that the market goes down this way continuously. And CAD has been today bearish. Yeah, CAD purple, CAD is going down bearish. So this pair, Pound CAD as a pair, is bullish now. Yeah, but this may be temporary. It may go down. So yeah, so I would look for the setting chance on this one too. Okay. So let's see. Oh, I have some comments about the gold. Okay. So gold is, hold on, let me double check again. So gold is bullish today because of the news. And when the news comes in the US today, then this pair may be bought. I think as a currency in US, based on these news, they may get sold is my pure guess. So if USD currency is sold today, then gold will be bullish because this is XAU USD. So, and Ichimoku also shows it's bullish. Kumo Senko span A is up, and Kijun Sen is up also. Chikou span above candles, and yesterday had the long wick, and this is the pin bar. So if today's candlestick closes above the pin bar, then I think it goes up and it may break that resistance within this week. So gold is bullish for me. Let me see, 4 hour is now range, but I think it goes up. due to the daily uptrend. And 1 hour is still in a sideways. It slightly broke. Looks like slightly broke that resistance in 1 hour. Yeah, looks like so. Oh yeah, so if the market breaks the level of 1935.07, then I think it goes up continuously and may reach to the swing high, 1949.18. So yeah, let's wait for the breakout of 1935.07 and look for the opportunity to buy after this. I think I put the alert above that level. So if it triggers, I come back and look for an opportunity. Okay. Mario says USD PLN. Okay, let me see. Let me go back to Forex, and since I don't have that pair, let me check. Okay, this one is okay, it's about to break the support. Okay, so this is bearish. It's bearish. It's about to break the support. So wait for the breakout today. This is on a daily time frame, so wait for the daily candle close. Daily candle close below 4.3139. If this one closes below the support, then that means the sellers won the battle since the 13th of January. So the market most likely goes down. So yeah, this is where I wait for the breakout. I don't jump in right now because it may be supported and the market may retrace within today. Let me see, 1 hour. Okay, first of all, there are so many wicks, so this is a bit difficult to read by the price actions. Looks like this is like a Heikin Ashi or something, these candles. But okay, so there was head and shoulders, neckline breakout. So, and it's about to break the support. If it doesn't break the support today, then I think the market pulls back to the Tenkan-sen or Kijun-sen or on 4.3256 area and then break through this way. That's also a scenario in 1 hour. Okay. Okay, Joseph says, let me see. USDJPY has been choppy and a lot in 4 hour, 1 hour. It held a monthly Kijun-sen long term. Is it being affected by yen weakness? Yeah, I think so. Let me see. USDJPY monthly. Okay. I really didn't check the monthly time frame, but yeah, it may be held by the monthly Kijun-sen and goes up. But this is for the super long term. I mean, the market may retrace back to the monthly Kijun-sen sometime this year. Or maybe within the month of March, it may reach 127.24 or 25. But yeah, this is bearish. I think this pair is USDJPY is bearish. Weekly is now into Kumo. And there was a Tenkan Kijun dead cross and a Chikou span breakout. So if Kumo break happens, I think it goes down to the monthly Kijun-sen. But since the market is within the Kumo on the weekly time frame, the lower time frame becomes very spiky. So if you want to trade the USDJPY, then you have to be very good at the risk and reward and also the risk management. And maybe psychology management may be useful to take trades when the market is spiking choppy in the lower time frames like that. Okay, Alexander says, do you think the same for us, for US stocks, is it better to stay away during the news? Yes, that's also true. Yeah, during the news, I recommend stay away from all the markets. Because we never know how the news impact the markets. And I think it's a bit risk to trade with unpredictable timings or uncontrollable timings. Yeah, also spread becomes very wide when news happens. So that's also something to keep in mind. Okay, Nifty chart. Okay, Nifty was bearish when I saw the chart on Sunday's weekly forecast. But let's see what's happening right now. Okay, here Nifty. Okay, so weekly is now retracing. It broke the weekly support last 2 weeks ago. Last week. And this week is doji, almost doji. And the momentum is losing now. So this is now range. This is time to stay away from the market. Or this is a bit bearish. So if we can sell the market, that can be the option. Okay, daily is now bearish. Daily shows Kumo down. Kijun Sen is pointing down. Chikou span below the candles after the break of that support 17769.9. So this is a downtrend bearish. Okay, let's see. This is, I think, a very choppy market recently. It has a, today it happens to be a big candlestick, and this high and low are including 3 previous candles. So this is called outside bar, engulfing outside. So if I were to trade, then I wait for the outside bar breakout, which is the breakout of 17,357.05 and take sell. Or if it goes up, then I wait for the breakout of 18,485.10. Yeah, between these two levels, I think most likely the market will be range and spiky and tricky. Okay, so let me cover some more comments until the end of live today. Okay, here it says, hi Kei, you are trading on your real account or from others like FTMO, MFF. I'm trading on my own real account. I never tried FTMO, or I never tried these challenges, so because I have been trading with my own money. And that's because I didn't know about these challenges or the prop firms, because back in Japan, at least for me, it wasn't really popular. Still, I think nowadays, still, these challenges like FTMO or the other challenges are not really famous, popular in Japan, I think. So that's why I simply trade it with my own money. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Kevin, thank you for joining. Okay, but some says, I think USDCAD daily could be bearish, so is it a good chance to look for in the days coming? Alright, let me check the USDCAD. So that's a new market I watched today. Okay, so yeah, USDCAD is about to break the support. Yeah, about to break the support, and USD is bearish, so I think this breaks the support sometime this week. Let's see, weekly broke the Kijun Sen, and daily is about to break the support, and 4 hour is still flat and ranging. So yeah, in this case, I wait for the breakout of the support, and I can see the new wick in a 4 hour, which was on 1.3288. So I wait for that breakout and sell. So that will be the scenario for this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, Homan says, Dear K, could you please describe about stochastic divergence in a bearish trend if price makes higher high, but we see stochastic divergence? Do you take it as a confirmation to enter trade? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Stochastic divergence, right? Yeah, divergence is actually one of my favorites. So whenever I see divergence, I feel it's like a bonus. You know, so you're talking about the bearish trend. So let's see. Let me see if I can find the bearish divergence. Maybe here. Yeah, maybe not. Let's see. I usually use divergence or the stochastic in a trending market. Okay, maybe this would be a good example. When it's uptrending, there will be also divergence too. Okay, like this one, this is I think a good example. Like let's say you are at here, you happen to open chart and find the market like this. This is M5, but let's say this is uptrending, and you see the stochastic like this. It is gold crossing. The stochastic is gold crossing, and the market broke that resistance, but you want to know if the breakout is trustable to follow or not. Because sometimes the breakout becomes fake and the market goes back within the range. So to know that whether the market goes up continuously or not, you can use the divergence. And this is one of the types, I think, because you look at the previous lows on stochastic and these are getting lower, but in price the low are not getting lower, but rather this is a bit getting higher. The lows are getting higher and higher, including the wick. So this is a type of divergence you can find. And when I see gold cross, this is like a very good sign. So yeah, I do use divergence like in this example, with along with the price actions and some other confirmations. I do use that. Yeah, I think after I master the divergence strategy, my trade improved very much. Before I didn't know about the divergence, and I didn't really care about the divergence, but after I start to see divergence more closely, then I can capture better chance. I wouldn't say better, but I would say I become more confident on my trades. Of course, after you see divergence, the market may go against your direction. It happens too. This is not 100%, but it tends to go up, go towards my direction after divergence is my experience. So you can raise the win rate a bit higher with this strategy. Only when you find though, only when you find it, that works really well. Okay, so let's see. Okay, since I have to go in about 5 minutes, let me quickly check other comments. Okay, USDCAD daily trending. Yeah, this one, right? It is trending. Well, actually, hold on. So this is not trending. I mean, this is bearish. This is bearish, but this is near the support, so we have to wait for the support breakout. I would wait for the support breakout because, yes, you may see that the Kumo is down, Kijun Sen, Tenkan Sen down, Chikou span below the candle, so this is, you think that this is bearish, but if you look at these candles, these are very choppy. If this looks like, okay, if the market has been downtrending like this, then I would take a sell now. But now the market has been a bit choppy, it just goes up and up with a lot of wicks and lots of bullish and bearish bars. And then now this is going down. So this time I'm also thinking that this may be a fake breakout and retrace back is also something in my mind. So I watch closely and I prefer to wait for more clear breakout to sell. Okay. Alexander says, let's say the price is only within the Kumo on the weekly basis. Will you take that trade? Yes, I do. Yeah, I do. Let's say Kumo is on the weekly. The price is on the weekly Kumo. But if I see some trends on the lower time frames, then I take trades also. Otherwise, I won't be able to take trades forever, maybe. If I care about the weekly, if I care about the price being within the weekly or the monthly or even the yearly Kumo, then I would have to take much less trades. So I do take trades when the price is still within the weekly Kumo. But I mind that the market may be spiky in the lower time frames and also in the 1 hour too. But at least psychologically, it protects my psychology when it goes up, when it goes against my direction. At least I know the reason why it happened, so I can be safe psychologically. Okay, I see some comments about the cryptos, LTC, USDT, and BTC. Okay, so let me check LTC first, and then BTC. Let me see. Okay, here in the daily, this is bullish. Yeah, this is stably bullish, so you can look for the buying edge, and you can buy now. This is bullish all the time. Since the 19th of December, Kumo has been bullish. Kijun Sen is also bullish. Chikou span above candles. So the market is going up to the next resistance, 107.19. And in terms of the BTC, Bitcoin, this is now still ranging. Okay, but today Kijun Sen angle is becoming up and Kumo is also up. So today buyers are starting to come in today. So I think from today onwards Kijun Sen keeps moving up. So that means the market is getting ready to break that resistance 4 days ago, 24,000. So my view is bullish on the Bitcoin also. The initial target is 25209.26, which is the previous resistance from the 15th of August last year. But looks like the market is getting ready to break that resistance now on the Bitcoin too. Okay, so let's see. Alright, you're welcome, Basam. Oh, sorry, I only do this in English. So you can actually check subtitles after finishing the live. Not right after, but maybe a couple of hours later after I finish the live, there will be an automatic subtitles in English. So you can watch and just see what I say. Okay, I'm sorry I have to go now. But I do see many more comments, but I have to go. So again, thank you very much for joining, everyone, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. But don't rush to trades today because there are big news. So don't gamble. Always trade logically and rationally and objectively. Okay, and also there will be Ichimoku membership live stream in about 15 minutes. So those who are Ichimoku members, I will see you there soon. The link is on the Discord. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you have a great day. Stay healthy, stay safe, stay gold. Bye for now. またね. Thank you very much.